Bazzite versus Fedora. Which Linux gaming OS is better? Choosing the right Linux gaming OS can transform your gaming experience without compromising performance or compatibility. We'll explore Bazzite and Fedora, two popular choices with distinct approaches. Bazzite and Fedora are Linux distributions tailored for gaming but differing focus. Bazzite is a gaming-optimized OS built on Arch Linux, while Fedora offers a more general-purpose, cutting-edge platform with strong stability and community support. Bazzite is a Linux distribution designed specifically for gamers, based on Arch Linux. It streamlines the gaming setup by pre-configuring drivers, game launchers, and performance tweaks to deliver an out-of-the-box gaming experience. Bazzite includes support for the latest GPU drivers and gaming tools, minimizing manual configuration. Its rolling release model ensures access to the newest software updates and gaming enhancements quickly. Strengths lie in its focus on gaming performance, low system overhead, and compatibility with a wide range of hardware. However, this rolling release approach can introduce occasional instability for users unfamiliar with Arch Linux's maintenance demands. Bazzite is ideal for gamers who want a lightweight, customizable, and bleeding-edge Linux gaming system with minimal setup effort and who are comfortable with Arch-based environments. Fedora is a widely respected Linux distribution known for its stability, security, and up-to-date software. While not exclusively gaming-focused, Fedora's Workstation Edition supports gaming through its robust package management and frequent updates. It offers a polished desktop environment and strong community support, making it suitable for both general users and gamers. Fedora includes proprietary drivers and gaming libraries via third-party repositories, ensuring compatibility with popular games and hardware. Its fixed release cycle emphasizes stability and reliability, reducing the risk of system breakage. However, this can mean slower access to the very latest gaming software compared to rolling release distros. Fedora suits gamers who value a stable, secure system that balances everyday use with gaming and who prefer a well-supported mainstream Linux experience. Comparing Bazzite and Fedora highlights a trade-off between cutting-edge performance and system stability. Bazzite's rolling release and Arch base make it perfect for gamers seeking the latest drivers and optimizations, but require more hands-on maintenance. Fedora, with its fixed release cycle, delivers a more stable and secure environment, ideal for gamers who want reliability alongside gaming capabilities. For example, if you prioritize having the newest GPU drivers and game support immediately, Bazzite excels. Conversely, if you want a solid system that rarely needs troubleshooting and supports gaming alongside professional work, Fedora is better. Hardware compatibility is strong in both, but Fedora's extensive community and official support make it easier for newcomers. Ultimately, the choice depends on your tolerance for updates and system management versus desire for up-to-date gaming features. Choose Bazzite if you want a gaming-optimized rolling release Linux with the latest drivers and don't mind occasional system maintenance. Fedora is the better choice for gamers seeking a stable, secure Linux platform with solid community support and balanced performance. It's ideal for those who prefer reliability and a polished experience alongside gaming. Pick the OS that fits your gaming style and system preferences best.